Hi dear students, welcome to science class. Now we are going to discuss on the chapter structural organizations of animals. You all aware about kingdoms, animal kingdom. Okay? So here the two most important parts, invertebrate and vertebrate. Simple thing, invertebrate means without backbone. Invertebrate, you can keep this as a hint. Invertebrate means without backbone, whereas vertebrate means with backbone. Can you find out few examples? Yes, for invertebrate, it's earthworm, tapeworm, leech, etc. For vertebrate, mammals, rabbit, human, etc. Now, what we are going to discuss about is invertebrate. That is what about leech. So, Hydrogenaria granulosa, which belongs to phylum Annelida. Okay, what is the biological name of leech? Hiru, 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 Denaria. Okay, granulosa, heterogeneity, yeah, granulosa, which is also called as leech, leech. Simply, it's a blood sucking animal. So it is invertebrate. And where it is found? It is largely found in India, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Myanmar, etc. And it lives in fresh water like ponds, lakes, etc. etc. What we exactly call these as blood sucking. Yes, it will suck your blood. That is what we say sanguivorous. Okay, so they are ectoparasitic and feed on the blood of fishes, frogs, cattle, and human. So they suck the blood of fishes, frogs, cattle, and humans. So this is what the basic introduction about the Indian cattle leech, Hydrogenaria granulosa. So now we are going to discuss further about the external morphology, and this is what external morphology of the leech. So what is that? Shape and size. What is the shape? So the body of leech is, first of all, it's soft. Then it is in a vermiform. What is mean by vermiform? What we call in Tamil is manpuju. Okay, it lives inside the soil, and this body is elongated as well as segmented. Elongated, which means it will elongate, enlarge, and segmented. This is the called what segmented. So dear students, the shape of a leech is soft, vermiform, elongated, and segmented. Acha, it has two shapes. Then it shows the ribbon shape when extended and almost cylindrical shape when contracted. So this may grow 35 centimeter. This leech may grow up to 35 centimeter. Now we are going to discuss about the coloration of leech. So the dorsal surface, the upper surface is all about the olive green. So this is the upper surface, dorsal surface. Whereas ventral surface, any backside, inside, it will be like a orange color. So these are the two colors, orange or yellow in the ventral surface, whereas olive green at the dorsal surface. This is the coloration. Then we are going to discuss about the segmentation. So what is segmentation? So this is called segmentation, any parts of a body. So it has totally 33 segments in a leech. The body of leech is metamerically divided into 33 segments. Then that segments are arranged one behind other like this. Okay, dear students, then each segment na it is further classified into subdivided into rings. What is that? It is subdivided into rings or annuli. So from the segment of 9 to 11, from the segment of 9 to 11, what we have, it is clitellum, Clitellum, clitellum. Okay, dear students, which is meant to produce a cocoon during the breeding season. Okay, it produces the reproduction process. Then we have receptors. Okay, what is the next part? Receptors. So what is receptors? On the dorsal side, this side, any top side, there are 5 pairs of eyes on the first 5 segments. If you take these first 5 segments, there will be 5 pairs of eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. 5 pairs of eyes are there. Okay, each segment bears a number of sensory projections. That is called receptor. It will accept, it will receive. Then annular receptors are located in each annulus. That what way I say, this is the ring or annuli I said just now before. And segmental receptors are located in the first annulus segment. Okay, dear students. Next, the important external morphology is about suckers. Okay, Sucker. Yes, suckers, which means what? Yes, it sucks the blood. Okay, simply if it sits on your skin, on your any part of your body, it will suck your bad, okay, blood. That is what we can say, sucker. Leech has two suckers. Leech has two suckers located at anterior end is called anterior sucker or oral sucker. Okay, so it is where it is located at, this is the anterior part, this is called anterior sucker, and or else we called oral, oral, oral sucker. And this pink color, and this is the mouth of leech. Okay, then posterior sucker, it is formed in the last 7 segments. Here it will form, it is there in the last 7 segment. That is what we call posterior, posterior, posterior sucker. So the anterior sucker helps in feeding, whereas both the suckers helps in attachment and locomotion. Locomotion means a slow movement of leech. Locomotion means it's a movement of leech. I hope, dear students, you have clearly understood about the habit and habitat of leech, that is the Indian cattle leech, which is called Hydrodenaria granulosa. Thank you very much indeed for your cooperation. Try to write the notes, few points about the leech, draw the external diagram, external morphology of a leech in your note, and try to write the own points whatever you have learned in this video. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.